Hello, my friends. Today, I want to talk to you about something we all face at some point in our lives, our comfort zones. Let me ask you this, how many times have you caught yourself thinking, I'd love to do that, but it's too scary, it's too uncertain, or it's just not me? Now, I get it. Comfort zones feel, well, comfortable. They're familiar, safe, predictable. But you know what else they are? They're limiting. And here's the truth, growth never happens in comfort. Think about it like this, a plant doesn't grow when it's stuck in a tiny pot, right? It needs room for its roots to stretch, space to thrive. You and we're no different. Staying in that small, cozy pot of safety might feel good for a while, but eventually, it stunts us. Let me share a story with you. There was a time in my life when I was terrified of public speaking. I mean, the thought of standing in front of people and speaking my mind made my heart race. I told myself, I'm just not good at it. But deep down, I knew I wanted more. I wanted to share my ideas, my passion, my voice with the world. So, I decided to face the fear. I signed up for a local event where I had to speak. The first time? I stumbled. My voice shook. But you know what? I survived. And each time I stepped out of that comfort zone, I grew. Today, here I am, sharing this message with all of you, and I can honestly say, breaking that barrier changed my life. So, here's the thing, growth is uncomfortable. It's messy. It feels like the ground beneath you is shifting, but that's exactly what makes it powerful. Every challenge, every fear you face, is like a weight that makes you stronger when you lift it. Maybe for you, it's starting a new business, asking for that promotion, or learning a skill that scares you. Whatever it is, remember this, the hardest steps are always the first ones. But once you take them, you'll realize how much more you're capable of. I want you to do something for me. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture the life you want, the dreams you haven't chased yet, the goals you've been too afraid to reach for. Now, ask yourself, what's really holding me back? Is it the fear of failure? The fear of judgment? Whatever it is, recognize it, face it, and step through it. Listen, you're not going to get it perfect every time. And that's okay. Perfection is not the goal, progress is. Every step outside your comfort zone, no matter how small, is a step toward becoming the person you were meant to be. I'll leave you with this, life begins where your comfort zone ends. Don't settle for staying safe when you were made to soar. Challenges are opportunities in disguise, and every time you face one, you're not just growing, you're transforming. So, my friends, let today be the day you decide to break through. Step into the unknown. Embrace the fear. And watch yourself grow into someone unstoppable. You've got this. Now, go out there and make it happen.